Imagine if in every breath you take, there's a secret element that you uncover. This element uplifts the spirit, strengthens the physical self, and lights up the mind. This is the powerful we embark upon at ElevateEssence. Delve into the profound layers of understanding where the mental slowly fades away, revealing a terrain of sheer consciousness. In this realm, each thought emerges as a beacon of self-awareness, one after another, leading us on a path of tranquility and equilibrium. Brace against the winds of emotional turbulence with resilience that transcends the ordinary. In this realm, every feeling becomes a stepping stone, leading us towards the pinnacle of emotional stability and strength. Experience the invigorating surge of vitality as we explore the realm of physical wellness. Here, every movement becomes a symphony, orchestrating a dance of health and longevity. At ElevateEssence, we don't just skim the surface, we dive deep. We curate content that guides and inspires, content that empowers you to unearth your essence and elevate it towards its highest potential. We believe in growth, in transformation, in holistic wellness. We believe in the power of community, a community that cherishes the journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. A community that celebrates every small victory and supports every challenging endeavor. So embark on this journey with us, a journey towards a higher self, a journey towards a better you. ElevateEssence, where your journey to a higher self begins. Don't just exist, elevate. Subscribe now and elevate your essence with us.